everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have the cheeky lip kit. We did an eye combo that I would wear with the cheeky lip kit, and this might not be to everybody's taste. I know the glitter on a glossy lip is a bit much, but I love it. I really love it. I'm feeling very Christmassy. You don't necessarily have to go as far as me with the lashes and the glitter and whatnot. You don't even have to wear eyeshadow or lashes. It's whatever suits you. This is just something that I would personally wear with the cheeky lip kit. And yeah, I hope you're loving these little tutorials that I've done with each kit. Today is the day the kits go live in store in Ireland. So if you want to know what the closest store to you is, you can log on to the Bperfect website, type in your location. I think it's like a general location, and it will show you the nearest stockist to you. Don't forget to let me know down below what your favourite colour of the lip kits is. I knew there'd be lipstick on my teeth at one stage. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this video, like the other two, I only did eyes and lips. I will have a full foundation and brow routine very, very soon, so keep an eye out for that. So if you want to see how I got this look that I would personally wear with the cheeky lip kit and how I applied it, then just please keep watching. These lights are so bright. Oh my goodness. I'm starting with the eyes. I'm going in first with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And the first shade that I'm going to use is Burnt Orange. And I'm just taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to bring that... I couldn't think of what I wanted to say there. Bring that through the crease. So I was thinking in my head, if I'm doing a red lip, I'm just going to do something like subtle on the eyes. But I feel like we all know that isn't going to happen. And then once I am happy with how much colour I have on there, I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. Mine's like nearly gone. Just on another fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to kind of diffuse the edges. I don't think I want to go any darker on the lid. I think I'm going to keep it simple and just two shades. I'm going to do the exact same underneath, just bring those two colours underneath the lash line. So Burnt Orange, and then blend it out with the Mineralized Skin Finish. Can't see what I'm doing, but we're just going to go with it. I'm just making sure to connect the two on the outer corner. That's all the colours I want to do. Two shades, warm tones, what's new. I'm going to go in with a glitter though on the eyes. I'm going to take the Inglot Body Sparkles in 45. They're called Body Sparkles, but they're glitter for your eyes. Like, I don't understand it. This is what it is. Oh wow. So I'm going to take a small little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer just on the back of my hand, because I have my face set and powdered already. If any glitter does fall down, I can just wipe it all away. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and pat a little bit of the primer on. So I like to focus it, most of the product on the lid, and then whatever's left I'll kind of slightly bring up. Then I'm going to go in with the glitter on a flat brush and just press that straight over. So again, I'm going to focus most of the product on the lid, and then whatever's left I like to bring up above the crease. I think it makes the eye look like there's more space there even if there isn't. Just kind of dispersing it up. And this is a little trick that Mama Mitchell does as well. So I'm just bringing it up. It can look a little bit messy at the beginning, but once lashes are on, lashes just fix life. Lashes are just everything. I'm going to go back in with a tiny little bit of Burnt Orange just to help blend everything together, and just in case we lost a lot of that definition. So I'm just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight, the Amrezy highlight, just on my inner corner with a pencil brush. And then lastly for the eyes, I'm going to go in with lashes. These are the Tatti lashes in TL4. I actually wore these over the weekend, so they're already like moulded to my eyes. I love these lashes. I love all the Tatti lashes. I think they're amazing. So I'm going to pop these on. Well, pop it on this eye, finish this eye, and then I'll be back. Okay, so lashes, mascara, whole shebang on. The mascara that I used is the new NARS Climax mascara, and I actually really like it. But for the main event, we're going to go in now with the Cheeky lip kit. I think, I don't know, I say that they're all my fave. I don't know what to pick. Cheeky is just the most amazing red. Like, I'm obsessed with it. It's not your average red, it's more of like an orange tone, which I think complements a lot more skin tones, make your teeth look really white. We all want that. And I just love it. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm going to go in first with the Cheeky lip liner. This is a brand new one. I recommend, if they're brand new, just to warm them up slightly on the back of your hand. Just because if they're sitting in a box for a little while, they tend to go a little bit kind of dry in the top. But once you warm them up on your hand, they're perfect. Oh, I have oil on my lips. Okay. So I'm going to go in and line my lips. That's my lips lined. I'm going to go in now with the lipstick. It's brand new, I don't want to use it. And I'm going to fill in the lines. I'm going to take a lip brush, a small little lip brush, and just clean up the edges, make sure everything is really sharp looking. And then we're going to go in with gloss, I think. Yeah, we are. So here we have Cheeky on its own. I don't know what it is. I absolutely love it. I think it's so flattering. It's so comfortable. They're all satin finish lipsticks. So I wanted to give people the choice, because I know some people do love mattes. Not everybody loves gloss. So doing a satin finish, you're going to get that kind of matte look, but it's going to be super comfortable. It's really creamy. My nose is running. Ew. Yeah, so super comfortable, super creamy, but kind of gives you that matte look if you wanted it. I'm not a matte girl. I'm a glossy gal for life. So I'm going to go in now and pop on the gloss. And we'll see how this changes. So, like I said in the other videos, this is the gloss. It's the same gloss in every kit. Yeah, it's the same gloss. So it's a gold infused gloss. It is just the most beautiful gloss in the entire world. Anybody that I've seen using it has just given it rave reviews. And people love it on its own. People love it with the lipsticks, with any other lipsticks. It's just fab. I feel so Christmassy. Santa Claus is coming down. So I'm going to go in with the gloss. Oh. Do we care that we're doing a glittery eye and a glossy lip? Hell no. And this is the finished look. So this is something that I would wear with Cheeky. You can always like forget the glitter, just do a bit of warmth in the eye and lashes. We just went hell for leather today. I don't know what happened. I really appreciate all the love and support and the collaboration. It's been mental, it's been mad, it's mad, it's surreal, it's so surreal. The LIPKITS launch in stores today. If you want to see what store it launches in near you, just log on to the Bperfect Cosmetics website. I think you can put in like your general location and it'll give you the stores that are closest to you. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love it. I hope you all love it too. Let me know down below which is your favourite colour. If you have any of them, let me know if you love it. Let me know if you... I know you're not going to hate it anyway, so let me know how much you love it. Let me know what you want to see during the week. I think I'm going to do a schedule now. I think that's the only way I'm going to kind of stick to uploading. I'm going to do a schedule. I'm going to upload 2 or 3 times a week, pick certain days and just upload on those days. But yeah, that is all for now. Please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, Snapchat, you'll see me more there. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!